People will often ask if I can cut someone in half. Well, I can't cut someone in half, but this is kind of cool, where you can take a drinking straw and put it through an envelope. If you take an envelope and cut the ends off of it, you now have a little passageway where you can stick the straw through from one end to the other. The really fun part here is that I'm now going to cut it in half, but I'm going to do it in such a way to leave the straw all in one piece. Just bring it up right here. Straw remains whole, and the envelope is cut in half. Here's how you do it. Before you start, you take an envelope and you open it out. And what you're going to do is on the back side of it, the back side is where the flap is and where it's glued together. You're going to take a pair of scissors and you're going to cut 2 places like that. So now what you have is a tube or an envelope with these 2 slices. And then when you show it to the audience, you cut off one end of the envelope and you cut off the other end of the envelope. And now everybody makes the assumption that you've just got a paper tube. And what you've really got is something that you can flex forward like this, and you've got a tunnel that the straw can go through. All right, and so from your side, it looks like this. But from the front side, it looks like the straw just went through the envelope. And now, of course, when you cut it, you don't cut the straw. You put the scissors through here so that the straw is not in the way of the scissors. You just cut it all the way through. When you get almost to the end, grab it at the top here like this, cut. Now it appears that you've cut the whole thing. When you slide it apart, you can show that the straw is indeed still intact and the envelope has been cut in half.